Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download a project from Base44. In order to do this, simply navigate to Base44 and click on App section. Now, choose the project that you want to download or the app that you're working on. Now, it will show up this page where you'll have to simply click on this icon and simply choose Export Project as Zip. When you click on that button, it will instantly show a prompt saying upgrade required. So zip file exports is only available on Builder, Pro, Elite and Enterprise plan. So click on upgrade your plan and choose a plan for your project. Then go back to that same page, click on this icon and choose export project as zip. Now when you click on export project as zip, it will instantly download a local file of your project on your PC. You can also click on export project to GitHub, upgrade to a Pro plan and download the source code file for this on Git and get your source code files from Git repository. So these were the ways through which you can download a project from Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.